Hey guys, Dee here. Welcome to my video. Hope everyone's doing fantastic like always. So today we are unboxing or opening our 2 sticky subscription. Last month, I signed up for my first sticker subscription, excuse me. And the theme that I got for last time was kawaii or cute theme. And this time we are trying 2 different one, which is the first is the like a retro theme, and the other one is the pop art theme. And those are the 3 that they have: the cute, the retro, and the pop art ones. And this time I got the other 2. So we are opening this too. Let's start with the retro. So like always, we get our stickers and other items inside a plastic sleeve, which is a size A5 with 6-hole punch. And each sleeve comes with different pockets on it. So let me just pull out the stickers and the items. So for this month's retro theme, it's a making memories, and this is a sticker as well that you could put on your sleeves. You could put it on the side like this, so you could easily keep track of what you have already, and also to arrange them according to their theme. So that's that. And then we also get a ring that you could put on your sleeves, that you can keep them all together in one place, just like that. And after that, we get the stickers that looks like, you know, those typewriter keys, the letters. That's what it looks like. These are capital letters and small letters as well. And after that, we have some envelopes, mini envelopes. And they're so cute. I mean, not cute, but they're so nostalgic, kind of. The idea is like a very oldies type of envelopes and designs in this one. And this one's really nice. And we have some stickers as well. I know these are stickers. They are, it looks like those airmail envelopes. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we get 11 of them. Some of them has their little notes. Some are blank, so you could customize them. So it looks nice. If you like doing vintage memory keeping, these are really nice to put on your journal. And we also get more stickers. These are vintage signage, like Bertolini's Palace Hotel in Bergen, Gilpin Airlines. Those brands and hotels that are really vintage. And then after that, we get some vintage stickers, gold foiled one. Let me see if you could see it clearly. I think you could see it clearly. So they are gold foiled. They are transparent and gold foiled as well. So it's really nice. And then after that, we get some more stickers. These are cityscape. We have, I know I got some washi. They're like washi. They're semi-transparent. It could easily blend on your paper. And they are different kind of cityscapes. I can't really tell what city they are, so I'm not really sure. I'm not really a big fan of cityscapes. I like nature landscape, kind of like that. So that's one. Let me see the other stickers as well. Then we also got gold foil, transparent frame, picture frame. The pictures inside the frame are flowers, succulents, cactus, some silhouette of the deer right there. Like really simple, but really nice. And then after that we have more semi-transparent sticker. These are you know those wax stamps? They just drip with Kindle and then you stamp it. Something like that. I do want to get one of those. I've never had those. I'm really curious on how that works. And now we have some retro camera, like Polaroid camera, retro camera like that, with vintage design, like flowers and stripes and stuff like that. It's really nice. And I think this will be transparent as well. Yeah, they're transparent stickers. So since we got some envelopes, we also got papers. So this is the perfect size paper for the envelopes that we got. But we only got 2 sheets. Well, if you cut it in half, then that'll be 4. That's so not enough for me because I write big. So these are our retro making memories theme for the month of April. So now let's move on to the other ones. So let's put all the stickers for our retro on the side. Now let's move on to our pop arts. And you could tell if you get more than one subscription, like I did. I signed up for all 3 themes. You can tell the difference. The cute designs are in pink envelopes. The retro will be in this kind of like forest green, and the pop art ones will be on this purple ones. So I'm excited to see. And of course, like always, we get our stickers on a plastic sleeves. That's that. So of course we got the clip. And our theme for this month for pop is called health, wealth, and happiness. That's the theme for this month. So like always, that's a sticker. If you take that out, you can put it on the bottom side of your sleeves, just like that, and you put it over like so. See? So you can easily arrange your stickers. So health, wealth, and happiness. So let's see what they have here. So first we have some cardstocks. These ones are cut up decos. And let's see what are the designs of this one. Because I figured their constellation or like their Chinese zodiac sign or something like that. So I can't be sure. So we have dragon. We have snake, horse, tiger, a mouse, a monkey, a sheep, a cow, a rabbit, a dog, a rooster, and a pig. So there are Chinese zodiac signs and constellation, kind of. So how cool is that? So this is the wealth part of this theme because they have coins with amount on it. I am the year of the rabbit. It's actually, I'm the year of the rabbit. So I think this is a sticker as well. Let me see if this, yep, this is a sticker as well. So they are stickers. So I'll be putting this on my journal just to remind myself I'm a year of the rabbit. How cool is that, right? So let's put that on the side. And then this is my favorite one on this whole set, the good vibes only. I need to put it on top of my planner to remind myself that I need to spread good vibes only. Because lately I have been sick since February, no, January, end of January up until now. And my vibe is like a wreck. So I gotta start to pump myself up with good ones. So that's that. And then, ooh, I'm gonna like this one too. As you can see here, we have some jewel stickers. How awesome is that? So this jewel stickers are semi-transparent and they are a little bit embossed, kind of like a bedazzle sign, kind of, that you could put on your sticker book or on your planner or journal. So these are really nice. Although I don't think I'll be putting it on my journal because it will actually, you know, create a little hump on my pages, so I don't really like that. So I'll probably put it on as a design on my cases or the front cover or something like that. Ooh, I could hear my alarm going, so let me just turn off my alarm first. And we're back. So next what we have is this pop art drawing hand-drawn stickers of, I call this a cool dude starter pack. So you got your A-shirt, cap, your socks, balls like baseballs, basketballs, beer cans, your Converse and stuff like that. So it's my cool dude starter pack. That's what I call this one. And then we also have the stickers of your tooth. This is so cute. And how appropriate it is, because I think I'll be using this next month because I have a dentist appointment next month. So I am using this for sure. This is so adorable. How cool is that, right? And then we have, well, let's start with this one. This is a matching for this jewel bedazzle stickers that we got, that I showed you earlier. So this time this is a semi-transparent stickers of like gems and stuff like that. It's so nice, so cute. Oh, those little constellations are not a sticker, but since they are also printed on the sticker paper, you can just cut it out and use it as well. And then we got some old dudes. How cute. So we got some drunk dude, old men, and that's what it looks like. They're all drunk, or unless they're drinking coffee and drinking wine. So I'm not sure what to call this guy. So these are drunken dudes. That's what I'm gonna call them. And next we got some fruity ride. That's what it's called, fruity ride. They are bicycles made of fruits, or at least the wheels are made of fruits. Like this one is a watermelon. I think this is kiwi. Get some honeydew, oranges, a papaya. Ooh, I know this one is dragon fruit. So they're really cool. I think this is a Sticky Club exclusive sticker. So it's really nice. So I could already tell where and how I'm gonna use most of this stickers. So it's cool that they are very versatile. You can use it anywhere. You can use it all together, or you can use it alone by themselves on separate ways. So it's really cool. So this is our April pop art theme set. As you can see here, I got my little folder. So I get, this is the cherry blossom last March, and I already got the making memories one earlier this month, and I got another one as well. So this one was supposed to be a cute package, but unfortunately I guess they misunderstood my order and they just sent me another retro one, which is okay, I guess. I'll probably be giving it to my niece because she likes planning and journaling. So these are all our stickers. Let me put them all inside first. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be putting the link down below for our sticky website and also for my link. But please don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. And remember, you guys are awesome. Bye-bye.